Oh, hey you. I was just playing in the leaves. When I was done here, I was gonna go inside and make my version of a cauliflower mash. If you're interested in learning, you can come inside. Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, and don't forget to leave this video a like. Thanks. This garlicky harvest mash is a low-carb alternative to traditional mashed potatoes. It can be described as nutritional, immune-boosting, gluten-free, vegan, and would fit soundly as a side or center stage in a bowl with some roasted veggies and grains on top. To make this harvest mash, you will need 1 large head of cauliflower that has been washed and then cut into florets, 1 pound of parsnip, 1 large carrot, both of which should be washed, peeled, and then cut into 1-inch dice, 1 bulb of garlic, roasted, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, 1 cup of cashew or almond milk, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of minced parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, lastly salt and pepper to taste. To begin this recipe, steam vegetables either in a pot with a steamer basket or a strainer, or a rice cooker equipped with a steam basket. If you don't have either of these, you can also boil your vegetables for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to strain and then set aside so they have time to cool off and dry. My vegetables took 2 batches in my steamer, and to keep them warm, I used a holding oven at about 150 degrees. Steam vegetables for 15 to 30 minutes until they are soft and fork tender. 10 minutes before veggies are finished cooking, mix together lemon juice into cashew or almond milk. Allow this to rest, forming a buttermilk. Once all your vegetables are nice and tender, place all ingredients in a large bowl, leaving the buttermilk set aside. Next, using your favorite method, either a food processor, a ricer, a mixer, or a masher, any way you like to make mash, well combine all the ingredients. Season with salt and pepper as well as buttermilk to taste. Drizzle with olive oil, and then garnish with fresh parsley. Your garlicky harvest mash is done. Thank you so much for watching The Veggie Nerd. If you're new to the channel, my name is Eric, I'm a certified culinarian, and I make nerdy vegetarian lifestyle content. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on a future recipe. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.